Get ready for some wow with Mike in Motion. Hey everybody, we are out and about in our community, and today we are on the ground at Bravo Air out here at Augusta Regional Airport.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. We're with Pamela Davison of Bravo Air. Thank you for hosting us, having us out here.
Oh, thank you for coming, and welcome to Bravo Air at Augusta Regional Airport.
And we have one of your fabulous jets right behind us.
We do.
It's so great. The energy out here is just palpable. It's so amazing. A helicopter just landed here.
Yep.
We've seen other private jets take off and commercial jets coming and going.
Yes.
It's just, the energy is so cool. Your office, you have windows overlooking all of this.
I do, and it inspires me every day. I just see the most amazing aircraft come in and out, and it just gives me a lot of hopes and dreams that I just want to conquer in aviation.
Well, and I think you are.
We're trying.
You
Yeah.
are amazing. Everybody,
Thank
you
you.
are the big buzz in Augusta. You are grounded here in Augusta, private aviation. I mean, you're the ticket. You're the main thing.
Well, we are trying really hard to build something that is meaningful and sustainable and brings private aviation to life for so many people that may have thought, that's not for me. And no, I really want to open that door of opportunity to everyone.
Yeah, the experience is just amazing, and that's what things are about anymore.
That's right.
Is an experience, and you create this experience. Walking through and coming through to your hangar and stuff, we didn't have to do the TSA thing or anything like that. We come to your hangar, and I met some of your pilots and some of your team, your expanded team. There is so much that goes on. Tell us a little bit about all of that we would have no idea about.
Yeah, there's so much behind the scenes that we do every single day, and we're committed to excellence. And so we are constantly revising, refining our work, our systems, our processes, our procedures, our standards. And we do that based off of our own experience and then feedback from the customers. We've learned over time what people are looking for, and we work really hard to deliver that. So we have a team of people that operate on the ground that are not pilots, that are here every single day, and it is a 24/7 operation. So one thing that some people might not know is that we have 2 dispatchers, and they're certified dispatchers, which means they have gone to school and gotten certificates to understand flight following, to understand how to set up a trip, what is reasonable and attainable. And we have one that lives on the East Coast and one that lives on the West Coast.
Wow.
And this allows us to have coverage 24/7. And so they also help us curate our experiences. They get to know our customers, our brokers that we work with, our owners. They learn what people want, and then they deliver that experience.
That's amazing. Again, it's all about experience, and then when you get on, and we don't know about all of that behind the scenes. I mean, we talked about the people up in that tower there are your friends that you know, because they're elusive to us.
Right.
And so that you know them, and they're friends of yours, they're friends with the pilots, you all know each other. It's such an extended team of people.
Yes, they're our trusted advisors.
Yes.
So we often talk to them and talk about different trips that we're going to take, or how do we execute this way or that way. And I ask them for feedback all the time. Is there something we could be doing better? Are our call signs and signals correct? Is there anything that we're doing that may be delaying what you're trying to do in your role, and how can we be good partners in that space?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's what it's all about. It's about partnering, finding the right people, the team that's so amazing.
Yeah.
I have so many friends that will take one of your flights, and they'll hire your services, and they post these great pictures of them on the board with charcuterie and champagne and all of this. We have a little friend here that likes us. I love it. Sitting here, we hear a train.
Yes.
We hear the planes. There's automobiles.
Planes, trains, and automobiles.
We're making a movie, but it's great. That's what, again, it's the energy here is so amazing, and that's in your blood.
Yes, I love it. I love it. It truly does give me energy when I get here in the mornings, and my office does overlook the tarmac, and I am just amazed at what comes in and out all the time. It just is so inspiring. And, a part of our team that we haven't talked about is our leadership team. So the people that are in our leadership positions within the company come with years of experience, hours of service as a pilot. They've worked for other charter companies. They come to us from the airline industry. So they've seen it operationalized in many different ways, and they bring that that experience here,
Yes.
and they make us better.
Yeah.
And we meet as a team every Monday from 11 to 1. We sit down, we talked about what happened last week, we look forward to this week, and then we plan for the future. And that meeting is our holy grail. That's where we come together as a team. And so there's just a lot that goes into that quick trip that you're going to take. Hours and hours of work and a team of professionals behind making that happen.
Yes, that's amazing. The attention to detail, every detail.
Yes.
You don't overlook that.
No. In fact, we do sweat the small stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And I'm sure there are mistakes, and you learn from those, and you
Yeah.
keep moving. I think anybody in business, that's in a good business, honest business, that's what we do.
Right, and I love those moments. Those are our coachable, teachable, learning moments. And,
Agreed.
And it just makes us better. And we're still, I think we're stood up as a company now. This is 2 years that I've been doing this in June.
Yes.
And so I feel like we really have a sustainable model that we can scale. And that comes from the experiences that we've had. And some have been great, and some
Yes.
have been, oh man, like we can't do that again. We got to figure that out. But that's what makes us better.
Yes, but Bravo Air, since you started, you guys keep climbing.
Well, I am proud to say that our sales grew 77%. When I looked at the end of the year in
Wow.
25, we grew 77% year over year.
Congratulations. You're
Thank
doing
you.
something right.
I'm so happy about that. And it's the team of people that I work with every day. They're amazing. And they execute at a very high level. And that makes me happy.
That's great. When we saw them, you talking with them, having a conversation, there's such a level of respect I could see with you and them, and it's just that's what makes a great team.
Absolutely, and that goes, like you said, all the way around. I value their input, and I tell the team, I want you to see your fingerprint on the blueprint of this company. We're building something amazing together, and I can't get here alone. So I really need their input. I value their input, even if it's like, we don't like this.
Yes,
okay, well, let's
exactly.
unpack that. Let's talk about it. Let's make it
we
better.
appreciate your input on the
Yeah.
Signature Mike Show.
Well, I
You're
love
such
it.
a great added value, and we
Thank
so
you.
appreciate you. Thank you for having us here today.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.